Bro, this fucking camera on this motherfucking phone is bravissimo.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's your boy LSA254. Tune in for another one. This right here is like a bid farewell to this phone right here, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Also, video on trying to showcase the new microphone. This room got a lot of shit going on in it. It's where my supercomputer lives, with like 8 fans on the computer, and then the fan be making some noise too. So it's a good chance to see how this really works. So, unboxing iPhone 13 Pro Max. I did get it in gold, just like my 12 Pro Max. Honestly, I really wasn't gonna upgrade, but the fact that I paid the money for the next up program, and then for me not to do it, then for me not to use said, upgrade chance, then, it just didn't make sense. So, first impression, straight out the box, got the gold, and it means it may or may not even really matter, because of the simple fact that, so your phone comes with the USB-C. It's the USB-C to Lightning cable, which can really only be used if you have the power brick, and it's meant for fast charging, which I do have one that I already have. I believe it's upstairs. It's not down here. And then here we got the paper, shows Lightning. That is just nice. That it's like a little gold brick. That's nice. Yeah. So, boom, pow. Of course, there's gonna be some stuff I gotta do. Charge it all the way up and stuff first, or for the first turn on. Ooh, I already get a fingerprint. That's the thing about that gold. But that's why we got the case. I'm turning it right back on. All right, so we back. So what I also got, this case here. Got it off of Amazon. Let's take a look at it. I'm using my F-Bomb from Driveway Engineer. It's multi-purpose. It even opens packages. Alright, so with the 13 Pro Max, so this came with, so it comes with actual lens. It comes with lens protectors, which I did not have on the 12 Pro Max. It comes with screen protectors. We got 2 screen protectors, 2 lens protectors, and then the case itself, which the case that I chose to go with is that see-through, so they can see the gold, man. So they can see the gold. See the gold. How you gonna be having the gold? How you gonna have the gold, man? Don't let nobody see you. Like, the case that I have on right now is black. Can't even see the gold. But this one right here, you can see the gold. This one you're gonna be able to see the gold. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do all of that right now. I did go ahead and get my charger. We are gonna go ahead and get it set up. So let me see. If I can do this. So select your country, bring your current iPhone or iPad near the phone to sign in and set up. Okay, let me go get my iPad and see what it do, because we're recording on the phone currently. All right, so I got my iPad right there. It says bring it close, and then it prompts set up your new iPhone. Continue. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Position the circle. Oh, position the pattern in the circle. So, yeah, with the case on there. So this code will have to go in this circle. Where's the camera at? Okay, so it's in the upper right hand side or whatever. All right, so it's finished on the new iPhone. Enter your passcode. Do that down here so y'all can't see it. Setting up your iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. And so yeah, it's gonna do what it do. So yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's been out there in the garage with the with everything. So it's gonna have me do my Face ID. You have to look at it and then yeah. Scan your face. The new Apple is scanned so it can recognize you with the mask on. So that setup is complete. Face ID is now set up. Restore from iCloud backup. And go back. I don't know what would be better. Let me see if it'll do it while I'm actually recording. I don't think it will. But let me do this part and then I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, so now I am coming to you live from the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Bruh, you don't see the goddamn difference in this quality, my boy? Mwah, profissimo, nigga. Like, it's this shit right here on 10. This right here is a cinematic mode. It does have the auto tracking and stuff, like it would if you had like an actual, I don't know, whatever. If it was somebody else in the frame with me, it would shift the focus. But it got the blurred background of okay, bro, just off a rip. Like I'm team one deep, so shit. Very rarely is it somebody else in the video. You know what I'm saying? You might see Cortez every once in a while, Pierre, Pryor once in a while, but for the most part, it's me. So this right here, woo, 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 nigga. All right, feng shui, nigga. Let me get my shit together. Hold on. All right, and this is just the regular ass video mode on the iPhone Pro, 13 Max Pro. Don't get me wrong, it's cool. It looks good, but that cinematic though, it's just something about the blurred background that just man, it brings a whole nother level of a whole nother level to your presentation. So I got my old Popple off. It didn't come off real easy. So long to my black and red case, I'm gonna miss it. I customized the buttons and shit. This is the 12 Pro Max. We're gonna send it back to the people. I didn't have a protector for it like this one. I had a screen protector, which is actually crap. Man, fuck this. I'm going back to the other mode. This shit right here, nigga. This shit right here, nigga. This is it, dog. This is the fucking mode you want. Anyway, so like I said, this one kind of cracked. Well, the screen protector is cracked. I mean, let me not tell a lie. The screen, these glass screen protectors for these iPhones, man, I'm telling you, bro, they worth every penny, man. I had a case of like 6 of them joints. I actually still have them. So if somebody got an iPhone 12 Pro Max, well, actually, let me take that back before I fucking say that shit, because if it's compatible with my wife phone, then I'm gonna give it to her. But if they not compatible with hers, I'll make another video. We'll do a giveaway. Because I can't do nothing with them. But yeah, the 13, this is the outline for it. As you can see, man, the 13 Pro Max, bro, the notch is a whole lot smaller. You know what I'm saying? Notch is a whole lot, or if I put it up to the phone, you know what I'm saying, you can see exactly how much smaller that notch is. It might be a little hard to tell, but bro, this cinematic mode, oh my god, nigga. So the mic and the fucking camera like this, oh, y'all done fucked up now, nigga. Alright. Anyway, new phone, new quality. Shit, I can just do a talking head video like this, bro, and the shit look good. The shit look good. I can just sit here and be like, LS Motors started in 1997. 1997. Yeah, I say it right on my shirt. LSX established in 1997. LS Motors established in 1997 and started with the aluminum block LS1. Blah, 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 blah. And niggas gonna listen because it sound good and it look good. And that's what's happening. So, appreciate y'all for tuning into the video, man. 13 Pro Max on fleek, niggas. On fleek. So we finna get ready to go eat. And then I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. It's your boy Ellis Rod 254 live in motherfucking, I don't know how many, I'm guessing 4K. It probably won't look like this shit when I upload it. Watch it be that bullshit. We'll see though. If y'all don't see what the hell I'm talking about, it'll be like, man, why that nigga so hype? That mean y'all can't see the difference. That mean the team iPhone thing. Alright, man, we out. Identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination, man. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.